kung paano niya sinasanitize yung mga personal items niya pag galing siya sa labas. Kaya,
Of course. Yeah. So,
ano nga ba? May tatanungin ako kanina, nakalimutan ko.
what are your mga learnings? Ano yung mga learnings mo sa quarantine?
Hmm, ano ba? Sobrang dami. Value
Kasi
of
di ba nakita ko,
family. Talaga.
family.
Oo, kasi dati, before quarantine, when I was still staying in Manila, hindi ako ganito ka-close sa family ko. Hindi. As in, ngayon lang. Tapos dati parang sobrang ungrateful ko. Tapos ngayon, parang ganito lang, sobrang happy na ako, sobrang grateful na ako dito. Ngayon ko na-realize na ang dami ko palang tinig for granted before the lockdown. Tapos ngayon, sobrang na-appreciate ko na lahat. Yun. That's a little thing.
Kasi di ba parang wala ka nang magagawa sa bahay, di ba? Aside from work or whatever.
Oo.
But in terms of going out, meeting people,
Mm.
halos wala na eh. Hirap eh. Kasi
Mm.
you don't wanna affect, like, yun sa amin, yun sa atin, yung demographic natin, hindi naman masyadong affected so much sa COVID-19. Pero yung mga matatanda, so you have to be aware of them also. So parang you have to, be careful din. And you know, pag-travel, kahit hindi naman kailangan sa ibang bansa, pero pag-travel sa beach, papunta dito, papunta doon, parang ngayon ang hassle na, di ba? Parang ang
Sobra.
hassle,
Sobra.
di ba?
Feeling mo
So,
ba until
so
2021 ganito pa din or
ang alam ko, kasi di ba may article na lumabas kahapon na parang there's this company that passed stage 3 sa vaccine na 90% effective. At
mm,
saka parang yung flu vaccine is only 50%. So parang malaking percentage to. I guess it's a good sign. But I think the problem is, kasi parang minadali, I mean, not minadali, but parang binilisan nila yung process. Kasi vaccines are supposed to take 2 to 3 years to make. And since we're speeding up the process, I just hope that, everything is well done in terms of testing and stuff like that. Para pag mass binigay nila, you know, we're all gonna be fine. Diba? But I think for me, baka 2021, maybe end of 2021, medyo okay na. I think, personally.
tagal naman?
I know, di ba? One more year of this. Akala namin, di ba? 1 month lang to, 2 months, tapos okay na.
Oo. Hindi
Kasi
ko rin
it's,
talaga expect na tatagal ng ganito. Para dati
yeah,
weeks
kasi,
lang. Palagi ko sinasabi, feeling ko next month naman okay na. Hanggang sa umabot na pala tayo ng almost 1 year na ganito.
yeah. But di ba sa New Zealand, there's something, parang everything is halos back to normal na.
Mm. Oo, sa New Zealand. Parang wala nang mask. Si Frankie kasi nakakalabas na rin siya eh. Parang
Yeah, with your stories.
mom niya, nag-back
Sana
to work
all.
na. Oo,
My gosh.
sana all.
Kasi here, parang dumadami pa yung cases eh.
Mm.
Still, ano. But sa New Zealand, wow. I mean, they're going back na to normal. Ang saya nun.
Pero sa
Saya,
mga ibang
saya.
countries na nag-back to normal, nag-lockdown na ulit. Parang sa London,
Yeah.
naging normal na sa kanila eh. Tapos ngayon nag-lockdown sila ulit. Parang na isang araw lang
I
ata.
know. Kasi all it takes is one eh. All it takes is one. Tapos, it's so contagious kasi I think it's very, very contagious. So it's tough. It's tough. It's really tough.
Mm.
Ay,
Malapit
nako.
na!
Oh
105, di ba?
yeah,
100.
105, 105.
Saan ka naman unang pupunta? Saan lugar ka unang pupunta once pwede na
Yeah.
mag-back? Anong
Well,
una mong
kasi,
gagawin?
yeah, kasi yung plano ko dapat, kasi every year, I always travel by myself. Now, started last 2 years ago, na nag-enjoy ako. So I wanted to, and like I went to El Nido first, by myself. And I was, oh, okay to masaya. So the next year I went to the States. It's super fun.
By
This
yourself.
year I was supposed oh yeah, by myself. By myself. So I
Ano
rented
ba?
my own car. I got
There
my
or
own
wala talaga?
wala. Actually, kasi I was supposed to go with my friends, yung mga kaibigan ko sa high school. Pero parang, nabook ko na yung ticket, binayaran ko na lahat. Tapos all of a sudden, nagka-cancel sila one by one. Oh my God, sabi ko. So, isa na lang. And he's only available for 3 days. And nandun ako for 2 weeks. So, I had to fly to LA, kasi dapat LA lang ako. LA, tapos I flew pa to Detroit kasi I had family sa Detroit para at least I'd have something to do for like 10 days, di ba? So I visited them for a while, and then super enjoy. And then this year I was supposed to go to China by myself. I wanted to do the Great Wall, whatever. But then now, parang with the COVID-19 happening, that stopped. But I guess once it's over, I'd probably take my family to El Nido. Kasi parang it's been a while since yung family ko pumunta sa El Nido. So probably,
Mm.
probably,
So, El Nido.
probably.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Saan ba? Gusto ko mag-beach, Siargao. Siargao talaga.
Siargao.
Kasi ang Finland nun, sobrang tagal na.
Have you been before?
Dapat yung lockdown, pupunta na ako. Kaso, wala.
Have you been before
Nabuta.
or wala pa?
Oo, ilang beses na. Palagi ako bumabalik doon. As in, palagi. Siguro mga more than 5 times na favorite ko doon.
It's super nice down there. I haven't been there.
Ganda, ang saya. Sobra. Lalo na pag with friends kasi sobrang dami adventure. Parang motorbike ka lang around the town, the island, tapos island hopping.
Galing. May nag-comment dito, Siargao with Frankie. Imagine if you guys do a vlog, wow, that thing would go nuts.
Yun nga yung plan
Everyone would watch.
namin. Yun yung plan namin. Dapat kaming dalawa yung magsha-Siargao talaga. Magbubook na dapat kami ng ticket as in nagtitingnan na kami ng airfares. Kaso, nung time na yun, may bagyo ata sa Siargao. May bagyo sa Siargao kaya pinaspoon namin. Tapos hanggang sa
Sana
naabot.
pag tinuloy na ninyo.
Oo nga
Sana
eh.
tinuloy na ninyo kahit
Eh kasi mahirap din naman mag-beach ng may bagyo, di ba?
do people go for the beach or people go for the people? Di ba it's a lot of parang hangout place for people rather than the
Oo,
beach.
oo. Yung locals. Tapos food din. Pero, syempre, gusto din mag-sunbathe, gano'n. Mag-island hopping. Madalas kasi magka-bagyo sa Siargao. Almost every day umuulan. Talaga, kaya. Well, kahit walang bagyo, umuulan talaga sa Siargao. Kaya dapat nga pinush na namin. Kaso, ewan ko.
Yeah, because I remember my favorite video of you guys is it's a haunted house. That was
Mm.
so funny. That was so funny. Yeah.
Grabe. Oo nga,
Super
sobrang
funny.
nakakatakot yun. Napanood mo pala yun?
Which one?
Yung sa horror house.
Yeah, I watched it. It was super nakakatawa. It's just so funny, both of you guys.
Nakakatakot
It's
ko
just
talaga
so
yun.
funny.
Nawala ko
Buti
pa
na
yung
lang.
phone sa loob. As in
Yeah, and then
halfway.
buti, a ghost had to help you, di ba?
Oo. Parang nawala tuloy yung tawag dito. Nawala ako sa moment. Hindi na ako natakot kasi yan yung phone ko, tapos yung parang multo pa yung nagbigay sa akin.
Ano siya? Parang malaking bahay? Or parang
Oo. Mahaba, sobrang
bahay
haba.
siya?
Oo, sobrang haba niya. Tapos may second floor, tapos may mga rooms. Sobrang nakakatakot. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa siya ngayon. Ay, for sure wala. Okay, game na! Gino, share mo na sa amin kung paano pa natin sinag-sanitize yung mga personal items.
Okay, so how I usually sanitize, well, this is the bag that I bring almost every day. So I need to sanitize this often. So what I do is I get my handy dandy alcohol and then you just spray it from a distance. Spray from a distance kasi there's blood ay baka masira. So you just spray from a distance and then as long as that's fine. And then we wipe it with Lysol. We wipe it with Lysol. And then, yeah, you just overall wipe. overall wipe the inside, the outside, everything that you used, everything that you touched outside.
Alam mo, dapat meron ka ng Lysol na yung maliit. Super handy.
I know. Gumagana ba yun? Yung parang air purifier sa necklace? Gumagana ba yun? Or is that
Sabi
parang
nila
a hype
hindi.
thing?
Sabi nila hindi. I read
Kasi
somewhere. Sabi nila,
how will it purify the air? Ang layo eh. And it doesn't
oh,
spray anything.
yun nga. Kasi parang andito, wala naman dito sa face mo, di ba? So parang wala.
Hmm.
Wala.
I don't know if that works, but I don't know. I want to buy an air purifier nga eh, pero I don't know. Because I went to this audio house for
Mhm.
Beauty and the Boss, and they had this strong shower. And it just like spews in smoke, and I think that's an air purifier. So I guess it purifies even your skin or something. Kasi ang lakas eh. Wow, they're just showering in smoke for maybe like 30 seconds to a minute. So that doesn't know. I want to get
Effective
that.
kaya talaga yung mga ganun, no?
I don't know.
Minsan
No
pa,
idea.
sobrang mema yung mga establishments dito. Parang kailangan mo dumaan sa parang plastic cover. Tapos sobrang hina lang naman, no? Sobrang
Di
hina
ba?
lang naman. Parang ano
Yeah.
to? Ayan.
Yeah,
Mema.
but, everyone's trying to be safe, diba? So I guess
Oo.
I don't know. Like for me, it's just taking the vitamins, just taking, make
Mm-mm.
sure your body is prepared for battle, diba? Kasi
Oo.
alam ko kapag malakas ka, parang I don't know. I haven't researched this, but parang the less chances you're gonna get it. I don't know.
Oo. Or kapag na-infect ka, parang hindi masyadong malakas yung potency ng virus.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but
Mawawala.
yeah, probably. Diba?
Okay, promote mo naman yung ano mo. New series.
Yeah, so for everybody watching, thank you guys for tuning in to Diana's show, and thank you, Diana, for making me guest on your awesome show. Thank you for the games, and for everybody watching, you can catch Beauty and the Boss every Friday at 8 p.m. exclusively on iFlix. So you can download because it's free, so you can download the app, and then episode one is up and running already. So you have to make sure to watch episode one so that you can understand episode two. So episode two is we feel is 10 times better than episode one. So if you enjoyed episode one, there's gonna be there are a lot of surprises for episode two. So I hope you guys can join and I hope you guys can tune in. And yeah, see you on Friday.
Ang galing. Papanoorin ko yan mamaya. Da-download ko na yung
Yes,
iFlix.
please.
Ano?
Tapos tell me what you think. Tell me what you think.
Okay.
And then
Yes.